Hey guys, you may have not heard, but Shopify announced that they are giving all shop owners free access to gift cards no matter what plan you are on. Thank you, Shopify. We all needed something to help during these crazy quarantine times. So, if you don't have gift cards set up in your shop yet, I put together this quick 5-minute tutorial on how to get it all set up and how to customize it, even with Apple Pay. Hello, this is Carrie with Core Marketing. Today I am bringing you this tutorial on how to set up gift cards on your Shopify site. So Shopify has gone ahead and enabled gift cards for all plans. So all you'll need to do here, we're on the dashboard, you're going to want to navigate to products. So now you should see the gift card option here under your product category. So essentially you'll just click on gift cards. You're not going to see this screen. You'll most likely see a screen asking you to enable gift cards for your site. So you want to go ahead and click on that, and then you'll see a congratulations notification, and then giving you access to go ahead and edit your gift cards. So you want to go over here to manage gift card products, and you'll be able to set up, this is the one that Shopify automatically sets up for you. So you want to click on this to edit. It's set up just like any other product on your site. So you can go ahead and update the titles, the descriptions, the category, any images, and then these are the denominations that they have auto set. So you can go ahead and remove the ones you don't want to use or change the value that they have set. Then you'll want to go ahead and save and publish to your store, and it'll look like something like this on your shop. So obviously it'll be updated with all the information that you have. And then when a user goes through and checks out to buy a gift card, they're essentially going to receive an email with a code on it. And then they're going to use that code during checkout, and it's going to be placed essentially where also you have your discount code. They can also put their gift card code there as well for checkout purposes. So that is the quick setup of the gift card. Now to actually, if you wanted to go ahead and issue a gift card, say you want to send somebody a free one, or you were speaking with somebody over the phone, or they gave you payment a different method than through your shop, you could go ahead and issue a gift card and then choose your value. You can select the customer if they're already within your system. That's optional. And you can add a code and an expiration date. So we're just going to go ahead and use this. If you wanted to do a specific code, you could edit it here and put in your own custom one, but we're just going to use this for now. So I'm just going to issue this card. And then this is the code that's entered into the discount field during checkout. Okay. So if we ever wanted to go back and manage these codes, you could do so just by clicking on it. If you needed to disable it, you could do it here, and then it would show you the history. If you sent it, say the customer said that they didn't get the card, you could resend them to the email here and add any notes or information. There's a couple other options to manage gift cards within your settings, so we're going to navigate there now. So you're going to want to go down to settings, and now you're going to see a section called gift cards. So you want to click on that. So this is going to give you the option whether your gift cards expire or not. And then down here, you're going to see an Apple Wallet option. So what Apple Wallet, if you're not, if you haven't used that feature before, on Apple devices, there's a section called Apple Wallet that allows users to load their debit and credit cards, airline passes, those types of things, but you can also now load gift cards to those. So this essentially would allow a user, if they have an Apple device, to load the gift card to their Apple Wallet, and if they were purchasing on your website and using the Apple Pay method, they could use their gift cards that they purchased with you. So these are the options here that allow you to customize what it looks like within the Apple Wallet. So you can edit the text, choose the color that is shown, the card color, and then you can also upload your custom logo and a banner here. And then also, once you're done with all these settings, make sure you hit save. So that is the tutorial on setting up gift cards. It's pretty simple, but if you do have any questions, feel free to give me, you can send me an email at carrie@coremarketinggroup.com, or I'm also on Instagram. My handle is Core Marketing, and you can send me a direct message. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much.